In March 2023, Drainfast took on a major task. After years of being in greys, we moved our London depot to a much larger and more accessible location in Basildon, Essex. Thank you to our depot team and drivers for their major effort and commitment to making our new London depot ready for service. Basildon offers us a larger area to work in, ensuring you get your drainage supplies the very next day. With easy accessibility, we are able to streamline our delivery process and maintain our quality service for you. For more information, visit our website at drainfast.co.uk, email us at action@drainfast.co.uk or call us on 01420 555 600.